Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 12th, 2019. I'm down in the lower north workshop area. And today I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update. The last couple of days I've been working over here, but I've only been able to put in about half days because of other obligations and all. But I was able to make a significant impact on the amount of insulation I was able to get up. Again, one of the primary goals here is to get this wall, the north wall, ready to get that service panel back there, be able to get it pulled out when the electrician comes, insulate behind it, get the wall structure up behind it and all. But in order to do that, I really have to have most of the north wall set and ready to go, and then I just splice in the area that needs to be taken care of right here. So one of the goals was getting everything ready here thus far. I've made pretty good progress. I've taken the polyisocyanurate, which is a rigid foam insulation board, 1.5 inches thick, put it along the surface of the walls around here. Started off with 4x8 sheets laying on their sides. On the base part, cut out for the windows, cut out for those electrical panels back there, ones for data, compressed air, telecommunications, and the other ones for power going over to the work area and greenhouse area. So then we have other penetrations for, no, we don't have penetrations for the solar panels. They're all mounted on the outside. So I got the insulation around the base of it, then got some of the 2x3s up against that, and then gradually worked on cutting up the insulation that goes above it, which is a little bit taller than 4 feet tall, so they're cut to length, and then the pieces are used to fit into all the voids that need to be filled in. I went ahead and used the 2x3s to frame up around the windows as well, and I had already insulated around the windows, all the little cracks from the time that they were installed years ago, and got those upper sheets up and got the 2x3s supporting that as well. So that's about it with what we were able to accomplish today or the last couple of days. I just wanted to give you an update. The next job is moving a whole bunch of glass from the greenhouse, moving that to another location. I was planning on making carts, but time's a bit of a crunch. I'll just move it to another spot in the barn for right now until I get a chance to either make carts or pick up some carts. And then we'll get to finishing up that area there. One of the next things after getting this area dressed up a little bit more is getting all those vertical studs up so that we can start getting the electrical outlets in, get the base level of plywood all the way around the perimeter as well. So there'll be more videos to come. So if you thought this video was of value, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.